Artificial intelligence is changing the world. It is being used in many fields, including healthcare. Some people believe that AI can revolutionize mental health care. They say it can make diagnosis faster and more accurate. It can also make treatment more available. This is especially important in areas with few mental health professionals. However, there are also risks. AI systems are not perfect. They can make mistakes. These mistakes can have serious consequences for people's lives. It is important to understand these risks before using AI for mental health diagnosis. We must be careful when using AI for something as complex as mental health. Our minds are not like machines. We need to think about the ethical implications of using AI in this way. This essay will explore the risks of using AI for mental health diagnosis. It will highlight the limitations of current AI systems. It will also discuss why human judgment is still essential in this field.
AI systems learn from data. To diagnose mental health conditions, they are trained on large datasets. These datasets contain information about people with and without mental health conditions. The AI system learns to identify patterns in the data. These patterns are then used to make predictions about new cases. For example, an AI system might be trained on data from patients who have been diagnosed with depression. The data might include information about their symptoms, medical history, and social circumstances. Based on this data, the AI system might learn to identify certain patterns that are associated with depression.
The AI system can then use these patterns to predict whether a new patient is likely to have depression. The system might analyze the patient's symptoms, medical history, and social circumstances. It then compares this information to the patterns it has learned. If the patient's information matches the patterns associated with depression, the AI system might predict that the patient has depression. However, this process is not foolproof. The AI system is only as good as the data it is trained on. If the data is biased or incomplete, the AI system will also be biased and inaccurate.
One of the biggest risks of using AI for mental health diagnosis is the potential for bias. AI systems can inherit and amplify biases that are present in the data they are trained on. This can lead to inaccurate and unfair diagnoses, particularly for marginalized groups. For example, a study found that an AI system designed to identify individuals at risk of psychosis was more likely to misclassify African American individuals. The study found that the AI system was trained